shit, I can rap for beats, especially these Brooklyn-ass kind of beats. Come on, been a long time, niggas forgot. Push upon my niggas get shot. Master the caliber, don't respect your throne. Don't worry about me, the devil protects his own. Turn this up. Produced by Granddaddy IU. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Let me tell you how it happened. Time to take you back to the days of old. 6'4" Chevys, big fat gold. Out to the west where the gangsters roam. South Central LA, my home. We was out there feeling this hip-hop beat, but couldn't connect to the New York street. So we took our bandanas, tied them up, rolled up in the studio and laid it rough. Ice Cube and them niggas with the tubes show the motherfucker how to blast a dude. Come on. Dr. Dre, NWA, Easy and Ren, fuck what you say. Too Short kept it raw for them niggas up north. Ghetto boys, we was like fuck the law. Dub C nigga, sag your pants. I taught you how to gang bang and the crib dance. This ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. Bitches get smacked, busters get jacked. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. What? It's about guns and drugs. Hoes and cars. This ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. What is it? Bitches get smacked. Come on, New York, get jacked. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. It's about drugs and hoes. Cypress Hill made us all understand how I could just kill a man. Long Beach out of the dark came stupid. Skinny little nigga not scared to shoot. Dog pound gangsters, corrupt and gag. Suge had the whole death row on black. King T, motherfucker, Warren G. Nate Dogg reppin' that 213. Don't front, motherfucker, don't hate. Compton's most wanted, MCing. Throw your sets up, Brooklyn, like you don't give a damn. Inglewood back 10, watch what's king. This ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. Bitches get smacked, busters get jacked. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. It's about guns and drugs and this ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. Bitches get smacked, busters get jacked. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. It's about guns and drugs. Now, if you like your hip hop hardcore, say yeah, motherfucker. Say yeah, motherfucker. For the press and the non-believers. So you want to really know what's real on the mic? My little homie Pac lost his life. East Coast, West Coast, gun talk rule. Cocaine, big wheels, hoes and jewels. Down south, gold teeth niggas is real. Dirty gangsta rap got mass appeal. What? Little white boys with the birds got heat. A ghetto is a ghetto, a street's a street. Eliminate the poverty disease. I'll start rapping about birds and trees. You can get shot, I don't care how much fucking cash you got. You can never get away, the streets stay hot. And gangsters ain't the ones to push. They'll kill you in a second, ask my President Bush. This ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. What? Bitches get smacked, busters get jacked. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. What? It's about guns and drugs, hoes and cars. This ain't R&B, this is gangsta rap. Bitches get smacked, what? Busters get jacked. Come on. Front if you want, you can lay it on your back. It's about guns and drugs and hoes and clubs. Make some noise, Brooklyn. Now, if any of y'all brought your kids, you should have known you was coming to see Ice motherfucking T. How y'all doing? How all the ladies out there? What's up with you fine ass bitches? The only B word that should ever be used when referring to a woman is beautiful. Bitches love that shit, right? It's fun to be here in Bushwick. You gotta understand, a lot of people don't hear West Coast rap because there's a difference. In LA, we play New York rap. That's why you hear all the New Yorkers going to LA. But for some reason, the radio out here don't fuck with us. But you guys love it, and that's why I'm fucking with y'all today. You understand? I'm from the old school. Any old school people out there? How old are you? How old are you? Her. 18? 20? So basically, when I was out, you were still in your daddy's ball sack. And your dad probably was an Ice-T fan, and he probably stood right near the front of the stage, like this young lady right there, and threw his nuts. As you swam around, you probably heard this. Let's go! Let's go! We going way back. Let's go! Come on! Put 'em up! Put 'em up! Put 'em up! Once again, I'm back in the place to be. The I, the C, the E, the T. I never get a Grammy, so fuck the G. All I need is a crowd and an MCing. Got a gangsta ass DJ named Evil E. My record label, wanna be. William Morris is my agency. I never go broke, I got property. I got a dope pit bull named Phil. I got 10 go albums, what you telling me? Power suit, iceberg with 3. This one here shit 500. When I roll, stupid deep. Benz's Beamers, booming deep. I'm always strapped cause my money I keep. You move on the ice, you're going to sleep. When you see me walking down the street, say what's up ice, what do I say? Please, give me a dap. I give you one back, cause I ain't soup, so forget about that. Might take a picture, sign an autograph. Take a little flavor, have some fun and laugh. But step to me wrong, you will get shot. Wind up looking at a Ziploc. This is it. Dope from the fly kid. Ice Michael is back with the high bitch. Touch your law, play as you not. Gangsta ain't your fake punk if you ever heard a gunshot. Yo, the pusher, the player, the pimp, gangsta, the hustler, high roller, dead bread smolder. There's no lambing like a black king on the throne. Brooklyn, turn on my microphone so I can ill and break on the roller tape. Another album to make great. Islam, turn the bass, kick up a bit. Hype the snare, now I got a place to sit and ride the track like a black back in his lap. Hit the corner slow where the girls are at and kick game the way it should be done. How you gonna drop science, you dumb? Stupid ignorant, don't even talk to me. School you drop math, science, and history. And then you get on the mic to try to act smart. Let me tell you one thing, they got hard to perpetrate your bait, so just wait till the press shove a mic in your face. Or you meet Boogie Down, Chuck D, Sets a Sonic or the Big Daddy. And they ask you about the game you claim you got. Drop science now. Why not? They smart to sweat and get hot. Yo, Brooklyn, how'd they get into that spot? You played yourself. Not DJ Khaled, Ice-T said, you played yourself. It ain't nobody else's fault. You played yourself. Speed of life, fast. It's like walking barefoot over broken glass. It's like jumping rope on a razor blade. All lightning quick, decisions are made. My lifestyle, flush. Females, rush. This high-profile personality who earns his pay illegally. I'm a professional liar. Schoolboys admire. Young girls desire. Very few live to retire. My cash flow's extreme. My dress code's supreme. Vocabulary obscene. Definition, street player. You know what I mean? The high roller. Ha, ha, ha. Throw your hands up for us, one. Come on now. Throw your hands up for us, one. Come on. Throw your hands in the air. The high roller. Come on, guys. One more time. If you're my man, if you're so. Now, ready? Say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. If you want to be a high roller. Let's see who's really old school. Okay. Did you have a car? Were you getting pussy? Had you ever got some head yet? Yeah. Did you watch watches on video jukebox and said, who is this yellow ass nigga with this perm and all these curls and this Ferrari and all this pimping? What the fuck is this? Don't look like New York. I'm from Cali, bitch. Yo, time for me to pump up the volume. No problem, the record's revolving. Evil's the mixer, I'm the rap trickster. Pop rocks on the bum rush for pitching. Ice, Coolio colder than ever. Punk executioner, E pull the lever. Rotate the wax, then cut, action track. Push up the levels till the red light back. Don't try to size up, you better rise up to the rap criminal. We're on the rise up. I'm selling dope till I've succeeded. Dope beats and lyrics, ain't no beepers needed. For this drug deal, I'm the big wheel. Don't sell it, you don't smoke, you feel. Out on the dance floor, on my world tour. I'm selling dope in each and every record store. I'm the kingpin when the wax spin. Crack a smack or take it to a show in. You don't need it, throw that shit away. You wanna get high? Let the record play. Okay, Brooklyn, old school, one hand in the air. Everybody, old school hip hop, here we go. Ready? Together, here we go. I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm the brother when you need a true player to MC. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy. Thinking, what's my name? MC Icy. And tell the fucking police what I do for a living. I'm your pusher. Warming up. Yep. Now, the style of rap I brought to the game was very vulgar and gangsta and crazy, but we also are known for doing the dirty, nasty records. Myself, Luke Skywalker, 2 Live Crew in the house, 2 Shorts in the house. Yeah. We had no problems asking a girl in the front row.
Let's fight! I'll fuck anything that moves! Oh, you gonna love this shit, bro.
You know this one.
Love this shit. Listen to me. Come on, now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. Come on. I'm the MC called Ice-T.
Yeah.
That's DJ Evil E.
Motherfucking way, boy. You know what?
Islam creates the beat. You girls look so sexy. I wish you all were up here with me.
Word up.
You drive me crazy with that big old butt, girl.
Let's get butt naked and fuck.
Yeah, I want to make one thing clear, dear. No time to whisper in your ear. No time to remove your fears. I just want to get near. Get butt naked and roll around. Move our bodies like up and down. Do that stuff that your mama calls smut, girl.
Let's get butt naked and fuck.
Come on, girl, I know you want to do it too. It's good to me and it's good to you. I only speak what's true, fellas. They say they don't, but we know they do. Come on up to the room.
Come on up.
We'll undress by the light of the moon. Lay down and I'll caress that butt, girl.
Let's get butt naked and fuck.
I mean, real stupid and nasty.
Real nasty.
I know what you want. You ain't got to ask me. Just lay back and I'll operate.
You know what?
Jim Brodsky will go to work and penetrate, and then we'll all feel great. Make your move tonight, girl. Don't hesitate. We both want it. Don't make it tough, girl.
Let's get butt naked and fuck.
Homeboys, you know the situation?
I know that shit.
Trying to rap, they give us frustration. Nose in the air, turning us down when we really want to say,
Yo, baby, let's get down.
We keep fronting.
What?
Kicking conversation ain't talking about nothing. When all that's really on our mind is what?
Yo, baby, let's get butt naked and fuck.
Naked fuck.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of y'all don't know my history. A lot of people say, oh, you West Coast. I was actually born on the East Coast, New Jersey, to be honest. People say, why the rap so gangster? Why so violent? I quote 50 Cent. He said, it ain't how my mama raised me, it's how the hood made me. That's how I'm living. 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 Brooklyn, this is the story of my life. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. I was born in New Jersey. I said it before, but I guess nobody heard me. My mother died young, no sister or brother. I was the only son. When I was 12, my pops died too. What's a brother supposed to do? They sent me out west to live with my aunt. I guess they thought that was the best, but there was no love there. And growing with no moms, I guess I was prepared to live in a vacuum. The bedroom, the kitchen, the hall, the bathroom. I didn't leave home much. I didn't like LA. I didn't have no friends to trust. I bused to a school, blacks and whites. I guess that shit was cool. But in high school I changed. I didn't want to bust. I didn't want to play the game. I walked to Crenshaw High.
How was that shit, man?
Shit was fly. I hooked up with a new crew. Some brothers that seemed like you knew what the fuck to do. You may call it a gang. We call it a set, and it was our own thing. The whole school was down, and one way or another, everybody fucked around. Whether hardcore or not, you wore the right color, your ass got shot. That's how I'm living. 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 I did 3 years in, made close friends. Having no love, my homies became my only. I was glad, the family I never had. I grew up fast. I got a girl in the 10th grade pregnant and needed cash. Had to change my style. Switch from banging for hustling. No more going buck wild. I had to get a cash flow, but my hustle was weak. It was a no-go. I joined the army. 4 years and that shit be all the fuck you can be. I came back to the hood. The homies had done good, had elevated their game. About 100 G's a lick, no motherfucking shame. Bash for the jewels, baby sledgehammers with the tools. I speak on this with hesitation, even though we're past the statute of limitations. That's how I'm living. 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 I checked the bank. I bought a Porsche, some gear, and earned high street rank. But as I grew, my whole crew fell through. Cops had us on the books as interstate crooks. Murder, robbery, rape, escape, the whole damn nine. I'll rob a nigga blind. I had too much juice. I cut my boosters loose. I got intrigued with the pimp game. I took on the ice name, but the pimp game moved too slow, especially for a nigga who was hooked on quick dough. Then one night late, I was in a car wreck, lucky to escape. Hospital for 10 weeks in a bed, almost dead. And when I got well, I got caught in the cross, locked in a jail cell. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living. Now you feel my story? Say yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, motherfucker! So I changed my life. I put down the gun, picked up the mic. It took 30 years to get from there to here, but I still keep a gun. Cops got me on the run, and they hate me more now than they ever did before. The homies came back from the pen. We all work together, true friends. But every once in a while, some chump mistakes me as a punk, and he gets in my face. Wrong motherfucking place, and I ain't lying. That's how you're dying. Yeah. Now, there's a rumor out there that ICE don't like new school shit. What? Bullshit. ICE don't like whack shit. Okay.
You hear me right? I've been rapping all this time. You've heard every motherfucking word and syllable I've said. I'm not rapping over my vocals. What the fuck is hip hop if you up here lip syncing? Come on, man, stop with that bullshit. Came to see me rap. I'm rapping, nigga.
Yes.
But sometimes I'll even hear music and I'll be like, ooh, this new shit, ooh, I need some of that, man. Put some of that shit on, man. I need some of this shit. Can I get some Brooklyn? Can I get some Brooklyn?
Brooklyn, make some motherfucking noise! Yo, what's up? What's going on?
Jungle Beats, holla at me.
Bitch niggas perpetrating the sport. Fake motherfuckers reading Rob Report. Bitch boy, you'll never get far. You'll suck a dick for a play on World Star. I ride hard black card pins in the tent. It's all good, too much wood. Haters truly hate what they wish they could. I'm golden when I'm rolling all up in your hood. Gang bang, black tie tux with the upper crust step. To me stupid outside, I might fucking bust. Stop lying, bitch, let the truth speak. Start dying, no vegan, I cook beef. I'm rough terrain, bad traffic. POF fully auto with the holographic. I'm so classic, I'll peel your cap back. Anyone can get it, fitted or snapback. I'm that old school nigga with the gray hair. Paralyzed, still have you killed from a wheelchair. What? I said I'll have you killed from a wheelchair. I think I caught a body about a week ago. Shout out to GS9, Bobby Smurda held water.
Yeah.
Bobby Smurda held water, right?
Yes, he did.
He said they wanted to give his nigga get off less time. He said, man, I'm doing the same time as my motherfucking nigga. That's gangsta. Y'all having fun? It's a demonstration. It's like a demonstration. It's cool though. I mean, it's Saturday. They say you want to come to Brooklyn, Bushwick, out in the streets. See, that's that kind of shit I like to do.
Yeah.
But they call me the inventor of gangster rap. I don't know if I'm going to hell for this shit. But at the time I started rapping, there was nothing else I knew about. What the fuck could I rap about? I tried to rap about parties. That shit didn't fit. But the gangster shit is hard to understand. Let me ask y'all a question. What would you do if someone killed your best friend? Would you keep it cool? Would the wounds mend? If I said peace, I'd be a motherfucking liar. I'm letting off till my arm's tired. Retaliation.
Brooklyn, pay attention to the words. This one goes out to Nip Hustle.
Let's go down to Nipsey Hussle, Prodigy from Mob G.
Yeah.
All my niggas that I love to death.
Yeah.
Rock this beat, here we go. Sometimes I sit and wonder how many motherfuckers gonna die this summer. Gunshots from the Hummer. Now the sawed-off riot pumps lay across the bed. They said my militia wouldn't strike back. Back 10, 11, 12. Hit us in the pussy to hell. They started it. There's no way to mend it.
What ended?
My crew hit the mattresses. G.O.D. father style. All prepared to get buck wild. Half my niggas ball. Other half ain't got it all. They stay up at night waiting on a combat call. Drinking hard liquor, smoking mad loop and shit. So high sometimes I even got to load they clips. I ain't mad at them though. They dumps the ammo in you to spin you in air. Hell yeah. It's the time that the real niggas live for retaliation. Move on them. Show and prove on them. All you punk bitches, stand back and watch. Me, I'm oiling up the heckler and Koch. I got no love for them buses that put the work in. I can still see my fucking boy's body jerking. I ran over to him, put my hand on his chest. Hold like an apple in the side of his neck. His side glass up, body jerk once more. Nothing left to do but to go to war. Slide the hollow tips in the chrome 4-4. Roll down the windows, hit the heat out the door. Catch all the fucking bodies that I can tonight. Double back on your bitch crew, broad daylight. There's no innocence allowed in these ghetto streets. Grab your guns, fuck them off when you hit your leak. Tell me, what would you do if they killed your best friend? Could you keep it cool? Put the rules in. If I see peace, I'll be a motherfucking liar. I'm letting off to my own side. Retaliation, evil. Been packing straps so long I got a permanent bruise in my leg. Bet it acting dead. Now it's time to show you what I'm trained for in this. Rally up the wolf pack, attack relentless. Make you understand it was the wrong crew you fuck with. Now it's on, bitch. Your skies are dark as shit. Must have not have known who you fucking hit that day. Maybe you did. You're dying anyway. Not just you, some of your family. To tell the truth, any fucking body we see. You might just want to turn yourself into me. To save your hood the pain of my crew's treachery. You're fucked up, we know who you are. Where you live? We got your plates, ran them to a cop on the tape. We'll hit your block so hard, just where it was an earthquake. Squeeze off the fully auto, make your whole crib shake. I know you're breathing hard, living on your last day. Maybe you're laughing, thinking that you got away. I don't give a fuck, I won't sleep till one of us lays near my nigga. You better fear these triggers if you're smart. You better make a break out of state. I just snatch your kid, grab your fucking bitch and wait. Catch you down south, lay your ass out straight. There's nowhere to run, it's time to meet. You got one chance, arm your whole damn crew. I couldn't stop my fucking niggas if I wanted to. There's no innocence allowed in these ghetto streets. Grab your guns, fuck them off. If you hit your lead, tell me what would you do if they killed your best friend? Could you keep it cool? Put the wolves, man. If I said peace, I'd be a motherfucking liar. I'm letting off to my own side, retaliation. Prodigy, Mob Deep on the hook.
Yes.
Now it's the 50th anniversary of fucking hip hop. You know what that means? It means hip hop has gray hair, motherfucker.
Yeah.
That means you might meet the little lady on the corner and she like, I was a breakdancer. It's the one culture that we share with our children. Our children love it, we love it. That's why it's so strong. I love having y'all in the street. But look, out of respect for the origin of hip hop, I want to bring out some motherfuckers that's rapping before me. Now, you guys gotta understand, if you heard this record, then that means you probably first generation. Oh, it's a drone. Don't scare me with no shit like that.
You see it.
With a pistol, we're about to shoot that down.
That's kind of dope. I don't really worry about my life. I don't got no beef with nobody. What's up, drone motherfucker?
Drone in the building. What's up, drone?
They might be able to make a drone piss on you with some fucked up shit though. Hey, where the B-boys at?
Where the B-boys?
Where are the B-boys? Hey, make some motherfucking noise for the B-boys. Drop that shit, E.
Yeah. This is going out to all the ladies in the house.
Hold on, E. 1 second.
Yo.
Brooklyn! How are y'all doing out there? How many of y'all old school out there?
Y'all know what it is.
How many of y'all listened to WBLS and Kiss FM back in 1985?
This is for the
You
ladies.
listen to Kiss with DJ Chuck Chill Out and DJ Red Alert. Y'all heard a song that went a little something like this.
Yeah. Now, all you ladies in the house, I want y'all to make some noise. Come on, say ah. Come on, ah. Yeah, this is how we used to do it back in the day. A little something like this. Check it. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I know a girl named Philly, she acts real silly. Lives in the Bronx, but she comes from Philly. It's no secret that she smokes illy. Acting all wild like a dumb hillbilly. But there was Judy, she had a nice booty. Homeboy say she's a real fly cutie. Headed to my duty, pull that beauty. Stuck like glue to her main man, booty. Girl, you the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on, girls, where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on, girls, where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Yo, D, let them know what it is, D.
Listen, now there is Vicky. I came from the Hickey. But in the other room was a boyfriend.
Vicky,
Vicky on the presence of
Ricky.
She told me
That I had to make it a quickie.
when we was busted, her mother was
Disgusted.
Hit Vicky in the head.
With a jar of busted.
Vicky was in anger. She wanted to bang her.
All I wanted to do was,
Bang her.
you know what I'm saying? Go where the ladies at. Where the ladies at? Come on. Ladies, throw your hands in the air. One time, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Look out for the new music coming soon.
It's Brooklyn in the house. Everybody say yeah. Say oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Say hell yeah. Scream.
Yeah, come on. You know what I'm saying?
Right here. Now there is Nita. Brag by Skeeter.
Rock by,
Fat and
dog by,
Nita. When Nita had a
fall.
until she took a fall. She thought that the baby was found by the wall.
So I went to Spring Valley, met a girl named Sally. Took me to the soul, yo, she bought me leather valleys. Took me to the rally, just sit in the alley. And that was the end of this finale. Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on. Oh yeah, like the thing I see for having us come out here. You know what I'm saying? We're 50 years of hip hop.
New York. Okay.
Come on, come on.
Soul clap. Soul clap.
Come on, come on, come on, soul clap. Come on, come on, soul clap.
Soul clap over here.
Soul clap over there.
Soul clap up front. Soul clap back there. Everybody, uh-oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. What? What?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. For dinner. Uh-oh. Where my and Tony touch at?
Y'all ready? Here we go, D.
See, check this out. My friend got a brother whose name is Eddie. She also got a sister whose name is Betty.
When she shows at my crib, she's always ready to jump on my best. I rock her steady.
I put on Teddy that makes her wetty. When I get through, I leave her sweaty. Crazy, sometimes she acts lazy. Had to cut her off for her best friend Daisy. Daisy is skinny, you might say bony. She played the field on her boyfriend Tony. Tony think he's the one and only, but that is the title they use for Sony. Yo, at the ceremony, I ran into Joni. She told me that I get it hot like pepperoni.
Yo, DR3, another but phonies. Me and my homeboys, roll them like ponies.
Girl,
You know what I'm saying? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? Come on.
ain't the place to be.
All right now.
New York, New York.
Now, ladies in the house, I want y'all to make some noise real quick. Come on, ladies. All you ladies. All the ladies in the house say, ah.
Yo, I just want to say something. We celebrating 50 years of hip hop. Not only let's not give hip hop love to all those that's making hit records, let's give hip hop love to all the pioneers, the legends that set the foundation.
50 years,
I'm
50
talking
years.
about the bricklayers. I'm talking about the blood, sweat, and tears from all the years. Everybody make some noise for DJ Kool Herc, who will be inducted into the Hip Hop Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Everybody say, Herc, Herc, y'all. Peace.
Donald G and the B-Boys, make some
Microphone,
fucking
man.
noise. Stop playing.
B-Boys.
Okay, we got the show. Ice done came out, said some gangsta shit, said a little pimp shit. Now it's time for me to do something pimping. I'm like, Coke got kind of, hold up.
Oh, shit.
You had to flip it, yo. You had to flip it for y'all, brother.
Are y'all feeling that Bushwick? Make some motherfucking noise for Ice motherfucking T. Let's get it.
I'm gonna leave so many weird motherfucking memories in your motherfucking head. Right now, I just want to find out who's the #1 Ice-T fan in the place. Right here? I don't see him. Why you got his head down? My man, you the #1? You take that. Oh, you drew me. But who's the real, anybody, who's a real old motherfucking fan? No? Who? But he's ducking.
The #1 Ice-T fan.
Okay.
Don't get nervous, y'all. If you're a #1 Ice motherfucking T fan,
I see the lady.
I want y'all to bring the show in. Come on. Somebody.
Who? Come on, you
Anybody.
right in front. You asked for it.
Come on, man. Come on over, bro. You
Come
got
on the
legs.
fucking stage.
Yo, security, help my man up. Help my man up. Get over. Here we go.
It's a fucking chance to be famous in this song. I know he's a painter. He's a very well-known artist. But today you about to be a rapper, motherfucker. What up? Good to see you. Introduce yourself. No, to them,
Robert
nigga.
Vargas, representing LA, Boyle Heights,
Robert Vargas in the building.
and the Bushwick Collective.
Robert, this is your chance. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. If you answer it correctly, this will be a very fucking memorable day. If you answer it incorrectly, this will be a very fucking memorable day. What does OG stand for?
Original Gangsta.
Okay. It would have went real bad. It would have went bad.
Real bad. This female said.
So now what we gonna do to bring my show home? This is what this is like the end stretch of this Ice-T fucking shit. I'm gonna say OG and Brooklyn motherfuckers gonna reply with original gangster, because hip hop, we don't come to party for you, we come to party with you. Watch this. I say OG, hit me back with original gangster. Ready? OG!
Original.
Okay, you saw that? Now I want you to give me 3 OGs, and they gonna hit you every time with original gangster. You ready, bro? Ready? 1, 2, go.
OG. OG. OG.
Original gangster. Now you my hype man, let's go. Listen to rappers slow, talk about the way they rock the mic at the disco. I like how that shit was going down. Dreamt about ripping the mic with my own sound, so I tried to rhyme something like them. My boy said, that ain't you, Ice, that shit sound like him. So I sat back, thought of a new track, didn't fantasize, kicked a pure fact. Motherfuckers got scared cause they was unprepared. Who would tell it how it really was, who did? A young nigga from the West Coast, LA, South Central, where the Crips and the Bloods play. When I wrote about parties, it didn't fit. That was the real shit. OG! Original! OG! Brooklyn! OG! 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 When I wrote out a party, someone always died. When I tried to write happy, yo, I knew I lied. Cause I live my life for crime. Why play you blind? A simple looking indie woman choosing to know I'm a hardcore player from the street. Rapping about hardcore topics over hardcore drum beat. A little different than the average Joe. Jet you through the fast lane, drop you on death row. Cause anybody who's been there knows that life ain't so lovely on the blood so fast track. That invincible shit don't work. I'll throw you in the joint, you'll be coming out feet first. So I blast the mic with my style. Sometimes I'm in, other times buck wild. But the science is always there. I'd be a true sucker if I act like I didn't care. I rap for niggas just like myself. Days by the game in the Westford Street well. But I kick it to you hard and real. One wrong move, Gatsfield. I ain't no superhero, I ain't no mother comic. But when it comes to game, I'm atomic. You're dropping it straight, point blank and untwisted. No imagination needed, cause I lived it. This ain't no fucking show, shit is real to me. I'm Ice-T, Brooklyn, OG. OG! Louder, OG! In the back, OG! OG, where the hustlers at? a sucker punk cop. Move like a king when I roll hop. You try to flex, bang, another nigga drop. You gotta deal with me, cause it's the way out. Cash money ain't never gonna play out. I got nothing to lose, but you gain. In my brain, I got a capitalist migraine. Gotta get paid tonight. You motherfucker, I think in my grip. Check my bitch, keep my game tight. The many hoes in my job think I'm a movie star. 19, I had a $50,000 car. Go to school, I ain't going for it. Kiss my ass, bust the cap on the moe. I don't wanna hear that crap.
Why?
I'd rather be a New Jack hustler. H-U-S-C-L-E, a hustler.
Yo, we ain't broke.
Now if you getting money, say yeah, motherfucker.
Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, we in Brooklyn. Yo, Ice, you got it going on.
Word up, word up.
Versatile Versace. You got SMG out here.
Word
You got
up.
all the real people that order technique. You know, you got one motherfucker.
What's up, Tom?
Yo,
What's that, man?
how can I be down?
What's up? You say you wanna be down, ease back. A motherfucker get beat down out my face. Fool, I'm the illest. Bulletproof. I die harder than Bruce Willis. Got my crew in effect. I bought a new jazz. So much cash, gotta keep it in.
Happy bag.
All I think about is keys and G's. Imagine that, me working a million. That's a joke, cause I'm never gonna be broke. When I die, there'll be bullets and guns. Oh, you don't like my lifestyle? Fuck you. I'm rolling with a new jack crew. Let's go to South Central Los Angeles.
Oh shit. There they go with that West Side gangsta shit. Whoa, rolling 60, 30, 50 clips. What are you rolling? Damn.
Psychopath talking, king of my jungle, just a gangster song. Living life like a firecracker, quick as my fuse. Vendetta's a death, back to colors I choose. Red or blue, cause of blood, it just don't matter. Sucker die for your life when the shotgun scatters. The gangs of Brooklyn will never die.
Why?
Just multiply.
Wave your hands in the air. And wave like you just don't care. Say yeah.
Yeah!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Wave your hands in the air. And wave like you just don't care. Say yeah. Say hell yeah.
You don't know me, fool. You disown me, cool. I don't need your assistance, social positions. Any problem I got, I just stick my fist in. My life is violent, violent is life. Peace a dream, reality is a night. My color, my honor, my colors, my all. Put my colors above. One soldier stands tall. Whatever you left me, what have I got? Last night, cold blood, my young brother got shot. Homo got jacked, mother's on crack. Since the game war, cause of arms up track. Madness, insanity, living profanity. And some punk claiming you understanding me. Give me a break. What world are you living? Death is my set. Yes, my fucking religion. Sagging, braided hair, sucker stare. I don't care. My game ain't knowledge, my game's fear. I flow remorse, so swear, beware. But my true mission, just revenge. You ain't my set, you ain't my friend. Wear the wrong color, your life could end. Homicide's my favorite bitch. Giant police defiant. Yo say to stop, I'll say that I can't. My gang, my family, you're all that I have. I'm a star on the walls, my autograph. You don't like it.
love you, OG Ice-T. The art of rap is real, niggas.
So once again, word goes out on social media. Ice, you gonna be in Brooklyn, girl, Saturday? Fuck's happening? It says a free show. My niggas like, can we pull up? These motherfuckers get money for these shows. They like, we can pull up. I'm like, pull up. Who the fuck pulled up? Cool motherfucking Keith. Where's Cool Keith at?
Yo, what's good? How y'all doing out there? How y'all doing out there?
Ultra magnetic.
Y'all look out, Ice is on Black Elvis 2. We got Black Elvis 2 out.
Just dropped yesterday, new shit.
New shit, fire, nice.
Let's take them back, though.
Let's go.
Take them back.
Yeah. You know how we do it?
Party people,
Ain't the place to be. Just for you, it's the ultra magnetic MC. Say what? Beat up like a whole child is fine. But the jam just moving. Crowd steady moving. To a supersonic case with a high stupid bass with some pep in the step. Cause the beat is so funky, the pace is well kept. Cause we're
magnetic.
Magnetic.
Who the fuck? Who is you? Cool Keith.
They use a simple back and forth, the same old rhythm that a baby can pick up and join right with them, but the rhymes are pathetic. They think they copacetic, using nursery terms, at least not poetic on an educated base. Intelligent wise, as the record just turn, you learn, plus burn by the flame of the lyrics which cooks the human brain, providing overheating knowledge. By means cooking pain, making my brain headaches, yourself start them up. While the technique spin, the wax is on the belt, motivating clockwise. The more you realize, more love's moving steady by most. Wherever ready, like a battery, charge the hook, the alkali. It's the mystery is solved. So seeking to find these words I've given a shit, and I'll driven with a Dyson. A maxim of the guy, it's the wizard cool. Keep it on storm my rock, cause we're ultra. Who are we? Who are we? Who are we?
Cool Keith. Make some noise for Cool Keith. So they said we were supposed to be over at 6, but they let us go a little bit over. Are y'all having a good time? As long as the block party's going, you ain't nobody. Look at all these people that could be robbing your house. They not robbing your house. They not out here shooting each other. They right here, police, you know where they are. Some peaceful ground. But look, we're gonna end it like this. I have this situation where I get up in the morning, I look in the mirror, like I walk by the mirror, and I go, God damn, I'm a fly-ass motherfucker. I know some of you girls do that. You get up in the morning, you look in the window, look in the mirror, and you be like, man, I'm a bad bitch. Motherfuckers gotta really earn this. So if you really feel that way about yourself, I want you to do this with me and let me know so we can go out of here on a pimp note. I want you to say, I'm so fly. Right about this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the hook to the song. Sing it for me, and we gonna all leave on a good note. All right, let's go. Pimp shit. Here we go. I'm so fly. That's y'all part. Ready? I'm so fly. Now listen to the words, you'll understand my problem. I'm so fly. Sometimes I kick back and take a look at my trove. I wish I had a brand new collection of clothes, but I don't, so I crease up my khakis again, scrub off my Air Ones, I'm back in the wind. I might go and take a little trip to the mall. Ain't got no money, but I might knock a bitch at the mall. It ain't about your chain, it's about your game. I slide up on a shorty, I spill up my name. She like the scent of fresh winter green breath mint. Play, I dug the way the baby's back in bed. She told me she was a hoe. If I was a pimp, I told her get down with it, get down with it. Then really can't help myself. Everything on earth play except for the wealth. I get up every morning and say, God damn, I'm a lucky man to feel this way. So fly, born with it, always had. I guess I gotta give a lot of props to my dad. On the haters' mind. Take a number, bitch, nigga, hit the back of the line. Now I used to carry guns and I locked your block. Nowadays I shoot guns on my new Xbox. Eat some cereal, ice cold milk, kick off my gators, baby lay back and chill. I don't like the phone cause the phone's always drama. My niggas always gonna go to war like Osama. I tell a man, kick back, please don't trip. I try to explain them, I've retired my clip. So I keep it cool, dude, check out some YouTube. Go on my iPod, I grew to some old tunes. I can't help it, that's how I was made. I'm OG, Brooklyn like great Kool-Aid. Truly can't help myself. Everything on earth play except for the wealth. So fly. Get up every morning and say, God damn, I'm a lucky man to feel this way. Born with it, always had. I guess I gotta give a lot of props to my dad. Number one on the haters' mind. Take a number, bitch, nigga, hit the back of the line. Now I listen to these cats every day on BET. I know they wish like hell in their heart they could be me. I roll caddy, drop top with the chrome frame. I'm riding slow while they mashing in the fast lane. There ain't no rush, cousin. I'm on them gold Daytonas and my bumpers touching. You thought it wasn't? You with your high price hoe, getting your pockets creased. I'm down at Popeyes with Coco and a 3-piece. I'm so fly, everything I do. And the one thing I don't do is ever wish I was you. I'm so fly, so fly is my crew. Brooklyn, baby. I'm so sure you knew. I'm so truly can't help myself. Everything on earth play except for my love. I'm so fly. Get up every morning and say, God damn, I'm a lucky man to feel this way. So fly. Born with it, always had. I guess I gotta give a lot of props to my dad. So fly. Number one on the haters' mind. Take a number, bitch, nigga. Hit the back of the line. So fly. Drop it in. We had a good time tonight. Make some noise. Come on up here, B-boys.